Hey y'all, it's been a minute. I went to Chipotle. I don't know if they felt like work with Michelle. Hey girl, let's see if you feel like working today because what? Hold on y'all. It's been a while y'all. It's Chipotle just I could have got a little more sour cream y'all. I think they wanted to work today. Chipotle, I love this for you because it's been so long since y'all wanted to work. Oh, I'm so mad y'all I ain't getting more sour cream. The thing about it is they asked that I want some more. And it's like, I was a little bit embarrassed to say, yeah, I wanted a little more. Ooh. Wow. The thing is, if you don't eat Chipotle with chips, you're crazy. Chipotle, are you trying to win me back over? What's tea? No, y'all, seriously? I really ain't had a Coke in a while. I've been doing good. One thing about that Coke, always felt like working. Always felt like working. Wow. Today's gonna be a good day, baby. Do y'all see how bad that looks? Oh my God, my guac. Almost forgot to guac, y'all. Now Chipotle. Come on now. Wow. I mean, do y'all see how bomb that looks? Like, look at that. That bowl is looking bomb. Wow. Wow. Y'all. Wow. I love this for you, Chipotle. Y'all have me worried. Cause y'all, it's been months since I tasted when y'all wanted to work. Now today, y'all back to normal. I don't know about that tip now. Hold on. Might be giving y'all too much fryer. The thing is, you know what? You can have everything. Wow. Hold on, y'all. I got this straight on, and it's tight. I gotta unbutton this. I gotta unbutton this skirt, y'all. It's too tight on my tummy. Woo! Now I'm getting somewhere. Cause I gotta get up in here. Wow. BRB. Y'all, I'm full already. All I say is, if you eat a whole Chipotle bowl, you're greedy. Big. I have never finished a Chipotle bowl, the whole thing. Never, ever. Y'all take bigness to another level. Because this is a lot. Chipotle with Doritos is just so good, y'all. Whew. I'm saving a little more sour cream. It really tastes better with the Flamin' Hot Doritos. But I ain't got none. So I had to settle for them. Oh my God, y'all. And I couldn't tell y'all the story about what just happened in T-Mobile. This man tried me. Tried the fuck out of me. And then, your little girl was over there smiling. I could have really mopped her with T-Mobile. I could have mopped the floor with her. I'm so happy I'm a changed woman. And I'm saved now. Because ooh, excuse me, y'all. Because it could have got ugly. Ooh, excuse me. But I'm saved. I'm a saved, changed woman, y'all. I don't live that life no more. Although, yes, I'm from Cleveland, Ohio. It gets real ratchet. It gets real, you know. But I'm a changed woman. But don't try me. Because I'll take it there. All the way there. Whew, y'all. I want to eat a little more. I'm so full, y'all, but it's just so good. It's so good today. It's so good. Okay, girl. Chipotle, I love that for y'all. I love that. I'm so happy. Thanks to Michelle. Shout out to Michelle. You feel like working, baby. I love this. Thank you so much. The other ones, I don't know. Okay, y'all, bye.